Wondering how to install your Nexar Beam 2 DashCam with the OBD-II port? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to set it up so you'll be ready to capture every drive with ease. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press the dashcam firmly onto the film. Adjust the camera's vertical angle to properly capture the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the OBD-II power cable to the dash cam, then plug it into the vehicle's OBD-II port securely. Ensure the connection is tight and the dash cam powers on automatically when the vehicle starts. That's all it takes to install your Nexar Beam 2. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.